welcome back to my channel. Today I will be installing a VPart kinky straight wig by Unice Hair or Unice Hair. This wig is 20 inches long and these are the items that come with the wig. You'll get a scarf, a wig cap, some eyelashes, and some clips that you can use to, hold your hair in place while you install the wig. So this is what the wig is looking like. It's a VPart wig. It's not a U-part wig. You can wear this wig without leave out, but my preference is to have leave out. One day I'll do a video with it with no leave out, but at this present moment while I'm filming, I wanted leave out because I was going on a date with my husband. So I wanted the wig to look a little bit more natural, although I've seen other people install it and it looks very natural without the leave out. So I'm going to be installing this VPart wig with leave out. I will be leaving out a little bit of hair in the middle, and on each side front of my head I'll leave out a little bit of hair there, just in case the wind blows and it happens to blow my wig back. I got some hair out in the front that could cover that. It's not a band that's on the wig, but it's like, I just want it to be a little bit seamless, because we'll be out on the town and walking around and everything, and it's kind of windy around these parts. So I'll be leaving out the middle, the sides of my edges, and this wig will require no braiding at all to install. I'm legit just putting a ponytail in my head and pinning it up the best way that I can. The reason why I'm opting for these type of wigs these days is because I've been having issues with my scalp. I don't know if it's scalp psoriasis, but I have been having really, really bad dry scalp. So I need to have access to my scalp quickly. I cannot wear sew-ins or any type of cornrows or braids right now. I need to wash my hair twice a week. So this VPart wig is a good option if you're suffering from any type of scalp conditions, but you still want, a nice little length of hair and, look nice. So I'll just continue to install the wig and stay tuned for the final result. So now that I have the wig installed, it feels super secure. There is a comb in the back that I'm tucking in so that it's super secure. So I even tried to tug on it a little bit. And now I'm just gonna cut a little bit of face layers because the wig is not layered at all. I am not a stylist, but I'm just cutting some layers to fit my face. I'm gonna be the only one wearing the wig. So basically when I put it back on, it's going to be those layers that's going to frame my face. So just cutting a little bit of layers to frame my face a little bit, and I'm going to put some big nice fluffy curls in my hair because that's just what I'm feeling today. And I'm going to just use my 1.5 inch barrel curling iron to curl my hair after I cut these layers in the wig. Spraying each part or each section that I grab with the Cantu Thermal Shield spray because it is not only a heat protectant, it kind of gives your hair some luster. So I do have the curling irons, I believe on 420, and I'm just gonna go in and do some curls with one or two, passes. Like I'll pass the curlers through on some of these pieces and then go in and curl it. I still want to leave some of the kinky straight texture on the wig because I'm gonna put I'm not gonna put that much heat on my leave out, and I want my leave out to blend with the kinky straight hair. So I want to leave some of that texture in the hair, so I won't be going in with as many passes with the Hot Tools curling iron. So I'm just going to curl the rest of my hair going backwards. I will not be going forward with the curling irons. I'm curling backwards because I want the curls to like feather backwards to my backwards from my face. And then with each section, I will take my Dove hairspray. I think it's Maximum Hold Dove hairspray. I'll link it in the description. The reason why I like this hairspray is because it does not give me crunchy curls. Like the hair stays soft, but your curls will stay in all day. But your hair continues to be soft. But the Dove spray is where it's at when it comes to curling your hair. far. These curls feel so soft, so bouncy. This hair curls very well. This is not sponsored. I purchased this wig with my own money from the Unice Hair website. So this is a good investment because I'll just be taking it off, washing my hair, and putting the wig right back in my head. And this is the finished look. I'm just gonna finger comb some of the curls out and fluff them out. And I really love this hair, guys. Please let me know how you feel about this wig if you'll be getting it. Let me know in the comments if you think I did a good job curling the hair or not. I'm just kidding, but thank you so much for watching this video. I truly, truly, truly appreciate your continued love and support, and I'll be posting now every Sunday. Again, thank you for watching, and be blessed.